Today, I'll show you how to rename your Xbox Series X or Xbox One. So all you have to do is power on your console and access the home screen. Then select Settings from the menu that appears on top of the screen. So select it. And then from Settings, scroll down and select System. And within the System settings, choose the console information option. So select that. And from here, select the name option. And now you'll be prompted to type in a new name. So type in the new name. So let me type in a new name. Once you type in the new name, press the menu button on your controller, and you'll be prompted to restart the Xbox to apply the changes. So select Restart Now, and the Xbox will restart to apply the changes. That's basically it on how to rename your Xbox Series X or Xbox One. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And if you find this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.